Hello students, welcome back. So we are on chapter 2, number system, and previously in this chapter we have studied that what is number system, what are the types of number systems, and in types we are having 4 types of number system. First was binary number system with the base of 2, second was decimal number system with the base of 10, then third is octal number system with the base of 8, and hexadecimal number system with the base of 16. Till here we have studied, and today we will discuss that how to convert the value of one type of number system into another. So today firstly we will study the conversion of decimal number system into binary number system. Fine. Some rules. What is conversion of decimal number system? Decimal number system is having the base of 10 and binary number system is having the base of 2. So we have to convert base 10 in base 10 equal to base 2. Some rules I have written here. Firstly, once we will read the rules, then for by example I will explain you. Rule first is, if we are taking one number in decimal number system, then divide that number with base 2. Now you will ask why we have to divide the number with base 2 only. So answer is because we are converting decimal into binary, and binary is having the base of 2. That's why we have to divide the given decimal number with base 2. Then write down the remainder. When we are dividing any number, that time we will get dividend. We are having dividend as 2. Then we will get remainder also and quotient also. So write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat the step 2. This repeat step 2 till the quotient is 0. At the end, write the remainders in the reverse order to form binary number. So let's take an example and understand what is the how we can convert the decimal number system into binary number system. Let's take the example of 25. Means first check this 25 we are taking as, now this is 25, this number 25 we are taking as decimal number system. How we can recognize this 25 is a decimal number system? I have told you in previous video also that firstly we will check 2, that is 2 is in between 0 to 9 numbers. Yes, 2 is there. Then 5 is also there in between 0 and 9. So this 25 is decimal number. Yes, we can approve that this is a decimal number. Okay, now how to convert a decimal number in binary number means how to convert this mathematical 25 number into computer language 0110 and all. Now listen carefully. We will make a table and we will divide. Okay, so this side we will write dividend, that is 2, because as I have explained you that every time we will divide with base 2. So 2 is the dividend, quotient firstly is 25, and this side we will write the remainder. Okay, hope you can see well. Now listen carefully. Just look here. Okay, now we are having a number 25. Now we will divide this number with 2. When we are dividing this number with 2, that means 2 12s are. 2 12s are is 24. Fine. What is the value of 2 12s are? 2 12s are is 24, and the remainder is 1 here. So remainder we will write this side. Roughly if we'll do 25 divided by 2, then 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. So remainder is 1. Fine. So 2 12s are 25 and remainder we will write here. Now again in step 3 I have told you repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. So same step we will repeat here. Now we are having quotient 12, again dividend is 2 and remainder is 1. Okay, now again we will divide this 12 with the 2. Now 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. If we divide 12 by 2, then with 6 will be the quotient again, and remainder will be now 0. Now again we are having the quotient 6, because this step we have to repeat until our quotient will be 0. So this step again and again we have to repeat. Firstly we were having the quotient 25, it is greater than 2, yes or no? It is not 0, so we will divide it. It will divide by 12 and remainder will be 1. Now 12 again it will be divided by 2. See, 2 6 are 12, remainder will be 0. Again 6 will be divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder will be 0. Now 2 1s are 2. Here 3 is the quotient. We are dividing 3 by 2. So 1 will be the remainder. So 2 1s are 2 and 1 will be the remainder. Now 2 zeros are, because 1 is less than 2, so we will write 2 zeros are, okay, 1 and 1 will be the remainder. Fine. So this is the remainder list we are having. This side, on the right side, we are having remainder list. This remainder list we have to write in reverse order. From last we will start. We will write in reverse order. Here also I have written reverse order is binary form of 25. Now listen, 25 is a decimal number and the equivalent binary number is, from reverse order we will write 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary number. Fine. Again, for the explanation, I will take the second example. We are taking another number 321. Now 321 is firstly the quotient, remainder we will write here, and dividend is always 2. Fine. So if we divide 321 by 2, 160 will come as the quotient, then 1 will be the remainder. Now if we will divide 160 by 2, then 80, 2 80s are 160 and remainder will be 0. Okay? Now next, if we will divide 80 by 2, then it will be divided by 40 and remainder will be 0. Then 40 by 2, then 2 20s are 40 and remainder will be 0. Now 2 10s are 20 and remainder will be 0. Now 2 5s are 10, remainder will be 0. Remainder you have to write in the right side, dividend will be on the left side and quotient will be in the center. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, but 5 is written here, so remainder will be 1. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 0. Now again 1 is there, 1 is less than 2. Your quotient is less than dividend. So we will write 0 here and this one we will write here. 2. This one we will write here, and now write in the reverse order. See, in the reverse order 1 is here, so we have written 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, then again 0, then again 0, then 4th time 0, 5th time 0 and 1. So in reverse order we will write the remainder. Okay. For better and more explanation, third example also I am taking here. Now we are taking a number 520. 520 is also a decimal number. 5 is also 5, 2 and 0. They are in between 0 to 9. So this is the decimal number and equivalent binary number we have to search. So 520, firstly the quotient is 520. So we will divide 520 by 2. Yes. So if we divide, just for your concern, if we divide 520 by 2, so 260 will come. Yes, 260 will come and remainder will be 0. And remainder will be 0. So we will write here 260 and remainder we will write here 0. Now if 260 we will divide by 2, then 130 will be the quotient and again the remainder will be 0. So 130 and 0. Now 130, if we will divide by 2, then 65 will be the quotient and again remainder will be 0. Now 65, if we will divide by 2, the quotient will be 32 and remainder will be 232. When we will multiply 2 into 32, the answer will be 64 and remainder will be 1. So we will write the remainder 1 here. Again 2, if we will divide 32 by 2, then it will be 16 quotient and remainder 0. Now 2 8s are 16 and remainder will be 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder will be 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 0. Again the quotient is less than 2 here, then this one we will write here and we will write 0 here. Fine. Now in reverse order again we will write. So let's see, the answer is in reverse order. Firstly 1 is there, so I have written 1 here, then 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there, I also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros here. Then again 1 is there, I have written 1 here. Then 3 zeros, I have written 3 zeros. So this is the technique to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. Still, if you are not getting, please repeat the video again and again and just try to understand the thing. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.